guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna be playing with cardboard. And yeah, before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn notification bells, ding ding ding, and that means every that I make. Thank you. Weird. Oh no, mustache. This mustache and some tape over here. I can put it on. It's like I have a mustache. How much do you maybe paper, the cardboard, and so mentally off the cardboard and close. Well, that's weird. That's weird. Guys, I tried to make this one like this. Let me show you. Did you understand? No. Yes, so I say, what is your favorite character? Thank you. Not cat, the bell, but milk word. Type, come on, please. Oh no, I'm weird. These are glasses. Oh yes, and now I need her. So guys, this is no, not like this. Okay. So yeah, all together what I make, it fell off. Okay, wait. So all together, what I make it with cardboard and paper. Look at this, super cute. Abo. Yo, fell up. Why this? The tape is on my face. Oh wait. Hello. Okay. Here we go, me. Oh yeah. Hey. What is? Come here. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notification bells, ding ding ding, and hit that piece every that I make. Thank you guys for all your support. Thank you.